Today we're headed in to put in a road section. Should only be 2 welds. It all depends on the engineering and how everything lines up. So I'm looking forward to it. We'll see how it goes. This process here is called the jeeping process. This apparatus they're putting around the pipe is called a jeep. It will find any bare spot in the coating. The coating is very important to this pipe that goes under the ground. It's going to make this pipe last a lot longer. So on every single piece of this pipeline throughout the whole, from start to finish, they will jeep this actually a couple of times before it goes in the ground. And then rock shield. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, sometimes rock shield's yellow, sometimes it's black, but rock shield is put around the pipe in areas where the terrain's real rocky, and then they backfill it with fine dirt to just really secure that pipe and protect it, make sure there's nothing around it that's going to cause it to buckle whenever they go to backfilling it. That's where we're headed, ain't it, Josh?
That's it, man.
Up there in that hole. This here is a 2-inch gas line. We call this like a line crossing. We come up on these from time to time. Before they attempt to even dig any ditch when laying a new pipeline, they do what they call a one call. They call somebody, I don't know, that knows where all these lines are located, whether it be electrical line, water line, anything. Just somebody that knows where all these lines are located. They have to come out and locate the line before they ever start digging. It's a safety measure, obviously, but way above my pay grade. I don't have anything to do with that, but just thought I would mention it as we were going along here. We got this first weld here that we're going to stock on. We're going to make this weld and then final out on the other side of the road down there. When finaling out, it all depends on your bends, whether you have side bend, over bend, or whatever you're coming into with each pipe. That will determine which way you will line the pipe up, whether you lay each pipe on top of each other or side by side. We got her cut, lined up, everything went pretty good. Good little day, good little day. Something else I wanted to throw in here is a lot of times whenever they cut a road, they have a certain amount of time, depending on how busy the road is, there's a certain amount of time that they can have the road open. I'm not sure what it is on this job. If it's not a very busy road, they can leave it open for a few days, but if it's a busier road, they usually have a time limit. Same with a creek. creek, you usually only have 72 hours before you gotta have it put back. Two welds and one cut later. Got her all tied in. My good old welding partner Andy, slicking one on there. Finishing up this weld. I reckon that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, learn something every day. We'll see you next Friday.